I welcome all on behalf of Regional Directorate of National Service Scheme Jaipur, Rajasthan and Office of the District Coordinator Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today's presentation is on cultural exchange in which we'll focus upon folk songs, folk dances, instrumental music, popular local music of Rajasthan. I introduce myself. I am Dr. Snigdha Sharma, Principal, Rajasthan Sangeet Sansthan Jaipur and NSS District Coordinator Jaipur, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is also known as Land of Kings. It is the largest state of India area-wise and it is a state of Thar Desert, the Great Indian Desert. Let us have a look upon Rajasthan demographic details. Rajasthan was established on March 30th, 1949. It has 33 districts in total. The total area, geographical area, is 3,42,239 square kilometers. Population is 8.1 crores. Literacy rate 66.1%. Gender ratio 928 per thousand, GDP 10.20 lakh crores. Legislature, it is unicameral, 200 seats. Parliamentary, Rajya Sabha is 10 seats. Constituency, Lok Sabha 25 seats. Language, Hindi official, English and Rajasthani. Rajputana is the old name of Rajasthan under the British rule. Symbols of Rajasthan: dance, Ghumar, mammal, very famous camel and Chinkara, bird, Gundavan, flower, Rohida, tree, Khejri, game, basketball. Today we'll present beginning with folk dances followed by folk music, then folk instrument. Let us begin with Rajasthani folk dances. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of Rajasthani dance? Obviously, women dancing in voluminous skirts around the camp at night under a dark desert sky. The folk dance of Rajasthan are mystical, which offers you a wide variety to choose from. Unlike music, the dance varies among different tribes. In earlier days, it was solely for the entertainment of the king and its people, but with the developing time, some of them have even gained international rewards and recognitions. People across the world appreciate and love different dance forms of Rajasthan. Two among them are Ghumar dance of Jodhpur. You might have witnessed Deepika Padukone swaying on the beat of Ghumar song in the movie Padmavati, and Kalbelia dance from Jaisalmer. Both of them have now gained international recognition. Other major dances are Katputli, that is puppet dance, Bhavai, Chang, Kachi Ghori, etc. Rajasthan's dance and music are composed with deep meaning. Folk dances of Rajasthan are an ancient art form and in most of them, music and dance goes concurrently. Folk dances of Rajasthan will begin with Ghumar, then Kalbelia, then Bhavai, then Katputli, then Kachi Ghori, then Gair, then Chari, and ending with Chang dance. Let us begin with Ghumar dance. Ghumar. The dance involves graceful moves like clapping and swaying the hands and twirling around. It originated from Bhil community and mainly performed as entertainment for kings in ancient times. Let us see the video, and we enjoy how Ghumar is danced. And this performance was very beautiful in Padmavati film. Deepika Padukone, actress, has danced so well. The next dance is Bhavai dance. Bhavai dance, it is a fascinating stunt that these traditional artists perform. Some balance up to 8 earthen or brass pots on top on their head. While balancing the pots, they turn around within the circumference of a plate or a glass. It's really adventurous. You can see in the following visual, the video clip. Now we come to Kalbelia dance. Kalbelia dance, very popular entire globe. Popularly called the snake charmer dance. The dance performance is accredited by UNESCO as an intangible heritage. This is performed by a particular caste, Sapira caste, and this is from Kishangarh town of Ajmer district of Rajasthan. And Kalbelia dance performer, the very famous dancer is Gulabhuji. All of you must have seen so many times. Now you see the visual, the video clip. Let's come to Kathputli dance, the puppet show. Puppet show, the dance is done by puppets held by the strings that the artists control. This culture program is similar to a puppet show and consists of a wood cart and a putli. So putli is doll. So it is called Kathputli. The putli yani doll of wood. Many hundreds of centuries back, the Bhat tribes created this dance form. And it is everywhere. It is also very popular in the entire globe. You can see the visual, the video clip followed by this. Then we have Kachi Ghodi dance. Kachi Ghodi dance, this is a famous folklore genre showcasing tales of local bandits in the region from the dance form. It was first started in the region called Shekhawati and performed by men artists in traditional costumes, kurta, dhoti and turbans. You can see in the next visual, the video clip. Then very interesting kind of dance. This is Gair dance. Folk music is played on various traditional instruments while dancers perform attractive steps in the clockwise and anti-clockwise circles in this dance form. It is a dramatic performance, especially when men performs hit sticks to the strong rhythm. So it is really interesting. You can see in the next video clip. Now come to Chari dance. The dance form is symbolic of joy started by Saini community in Ajmer and the Gujar community of Kishangarh. This ritualistic folk performance is performed by females for special happy occasions like weddings, festivals, or when a male child is born in the family. So this is Chari dance. You can see in the next visual, the video clip. Let us come to see Chang dance. Chang dance is full of masti. This is actually played, danced during Holi festival. So in this dance form, the main segment in celebrations of Holi festival in Rajasthan, men dressed in traditional women costumes and sing, dance and do the Ghumar cross that captures the viewers. And also they throw colors on their faces, that gulal on their and then they enjoy. So this is a Holi festival dance, Chang dance. You can see in the next visual, the video clip. Now let us come to Rajasthani folk music, the melodious music of Rajasthan. The euphonious folk music of Rajasthan can even make the desert bloom. They are sweet and compelling, having intense lyrics that are usually sung during special occasions and festivals. The most famous being the ballads, which is usually sung to state various stories related to bravery, romance, and is the major source of refreshment and entertainment in the rural and urban areas. Earlier, they were sung only on special occasions, but with the time it has stretched its arms in different horizons. Numerous communities in Rajasthan practice singing as a profession, but The Manganiyas and Langas are two popular teams that have added greatly to the Rajasthan folk music. They performed ragas, the songs, for different purposes. Like during the pre-monsoon time, they would perform ragas to call for the rains. The most famous one is Kanhaiya Geet, prevailing mostly in the eastern Rajasthan. They use many traditional instruments such as sarangi, kamaicha, dhols, shanai, bean to maintain the rawness and originality of their folk music, and believe me, their performance is mesmerizing. Other famous groups are Banjaras, Mirasis, Jogis, and much more. Now to begin our presentation on folk music, we'll start with Mand, followed by Hechki Gaiki, Manganiyar Gaiki, Langas, then Mumal, then Kurja. So such forms we are going to present today. Let us begin with Mand Gaiki. Mand Gaiki is a musical style originated in Bikaner and Jaisalmer. Its renowned song is Kesariya Balam, and the presenter, the singer, very famous singer is Mame Khan. You can see the visual, the video clip.
Kesariya
Then come to Hechki. Hechki is also a very different style of Gaiki in Rajasthan. The renowned song is Aave Hechki and is also originated in Bikaner and Jaisalmer. You can see the video clip of Hechki Gaiki.
ओ मनी अभी हिचकी बने अभी हिचकी बने ताले गुमरी की लरी आवे गुमरी वाली ज्योति तारे वाली ज्योति तारे पेदरे ओ मनी अभी हिचकी बने अभी हिचकी बने अभी हिचकी
Then Manganiyars, very famous, and Manganiyars originated in Bikaner and Jaisalmer only. Basically, they were from Pakistan, Sindh, Pakistan, and their very famous songs are Padharo, Mhare Des, and Bichudo. So many songs they have. The very famous singers are Mame Khan, and there are so many. They have, they have become very famous all over the world.
खेलवा गई रे मैं तो गेंद खेलवा गई माया रोलो भी बिछुड़ो नैना रोलो भी बिछुड़ो माया रोलो भी बिछुड़ो मर लहरदार बिछुड़ो हर गई मर
the popular ones, Langas. They have their own music style. They originated from Bikaner and Jaisalmer. The renowned songs basically there are so many songs, but Holi Avere is very famous, and you can see in the video clip. Then Mumal. Mumal is a different style of singing of Rajasthan, in which you can hear in the next video clip how Mumal is sung. Then this is a style Kurja. Kurja is a bird, and this is also a very famous style of Rajasthan folk music. You can see in the visual Kurja. Then let's come to the instruments of Rajasthan, which are very in a very different kind of instruments are used in the folk areas, in the rural areas. And this is one is Ravan Hatta, Khartal, Sarangi, Nagada, Dholak, Morchang. These instruments are accompanied in the Maan Gaiki and or every song form also, and then the dances also. But the Khartal playing is a very typical kind of playing, which is very famous when the Langas and Manganyar use Khartal. And you can see in the next visual in the video clip how Ravan Hatta is played and how these all are, Morchang, Dholak, Nagada, Khartal, Sarangi are played. You can see in the next visual, the video clip, followed by this. The presentation on cultural exchange, folk songs, dances, instrumental music, popular local music forms of Rajasthan has been made with a content taken from the internet with no personal interest. This presentation has been made for educational purpose under the program of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Thank you everyone for joining. This presentation video is now available on Regional Directorate of NSS Rajasthan and social media accounts. Thanks.